The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located on either side of the spine behind the abdomen. They have a hugely important role in the body, filtering waste and excess fluid from the blood to be excreted as urine. They also help maintain fluid balance and electrolyte levels, and produce hormones that regulate blood pressure, red blood cell production, and calcium absorption. Healthy kidneys filter around 200 quarts of blood daily and produce 1 to 2 quarts of urine. However, when the kidneys become damaged and can't properly filter blood, waste builds up and can become life-threatening. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, is the gradual loss of kidney function over time. In the early stages, there may be no symptoms as the kidneys can still adequately filter blood. But as CKD progresses to more advanced stages, dangerous levels of fluid, electrolytes, and waste can accumulate. Diabetes and high blood pressure are the most common causes of chronic kidney disease. Other factors that damage the kidneys include glomerulonephritis, polycystic kidney disease, frequent urinary tract infections, kidney stones, and obstructed urine flow. As CKD advances, dangerous levels of fluids and waste accumulate and kidney function declines. This can lead to kidney failure, which requires dialysis or a kidney transplant to stay alive. Dialysis is a treatment that filters waste and excess fluid from the blood when the kidneys can no longer do this. This life-sustaining treatment typically needs to be done 3 days a week at a dialysis center or hospital. Each 4-hour dialysis session involves diverting blood to an artificial kidney machine, which filters out waste and returns clean blood to the body. This helps control blood pressure and electrolyte levels between treatments. But dialysis is not a cure and has significant impact on quality of life and life expectancy. The Kidney Foundation estimates that 785,000 Americans have irreversible kidney failure and need dialysis or a kidney transplant to survive. This number is projected to rise given increasing rates of diabetes and hypertension. Sustaining kidney health and preventing further kidney damage is so important to avoiding dialysis and preserving quality of life. Making smart diet and lifestyle choices can go a long way to protect kidney function. One area of particular interest is using herbal teas to support kidney health. Many herbs have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and diuretic properties that can aid the kidneys. Let's explore 10 kidney-friendly herbal teas that may help heal damage, improve kidney function, and avoid further deterioration. Number 1. Dandelion Tea. Dandelion tea and supplements have been used in folk medicine for centuries to treat kidney problems. The leaves act as a natural diuretic, increasing urine output. This can help flush out waste, excess salt, and water to relieve swelling. Dandelion increases glomerular filtration rate, GFR, a measure of how efficiently the kidneys filter blood. A higher GFR indicates better waste removal. Dandelion also has antimicrobial properties that may help prevent urinary tract infections, which can damage kidney tissue. Its anti-inflammatory effects protect against inflammation-mediated kidney injury. The potassium in dandelion leaves acts as an electrolyte and can help normalize imbalanced electrolyte levels caused by kidney damage. Drink up to 3 cups daily. Supplements are also available in capsules, tinctures, and extracts. 2. Chanca Piedra. Chanca Piedra, also known as stonebreaker, is an herb traditionally used to dissolve kidney stones and crystals. It helps relax the ureters, the tubes connecting the kidneys to the bladder, allowing stones to easily pass out in the urine. It contains phytochemicals that have diuretic, pain-relieving, and spasm-reducing effects on the kidneys, ureters, and bladder. This can help ease the painful urinary symptoms associated with kidney stones. Chanca Piedra also has antioxidant properties that help protect kidney cells against damage caused by excess free radicals. Drink 2 to 3 cups daily as a preventative aid against kidney stones. Number 3. Goldenrod. Goldenrod contains a compound called saponin that acts as a natural diuretic and urinary antiseptic. It enhances urine flow to help flush out kidney stones, uric acid crystals, and accumulated toxins. It has anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, and pain-relieving properties that can ease urinary tract infections and kidney pain. It may also help prevent the formation of kidney stones. Drink up to 3 cups per day. Use for short periods of time only, as prolonged use may irritate the kidneys. Number 4. Horsetail. Horsetail is an herbal medicine used since ancient Roman and Greek times to improve kidney and bladder health. It has a high silica content which may help repair damaged kidney tissue and prevent formation of kidney stones. Horsetail increases urine output to flush out waste, excess water, and uric acid. Its anti-inflammatory properties help relieve swelling and kidney inflammation. It also has mild diuretic and antimicrobial effects. Drink up to 3 cups daily. Horsetail is best used short-term only under guidance of a medical practitioner. Number 5. Marshmallow Root. Marshmallow root derives its name from its mucilaginous texture, which forms a gel-like substance when mixed with water. This helps coat and soothe the lining of the urinary tract. It acts as a natural diuretic by increasing urine secretion, but unlike other diuretics, it does not leach out potassium from the body. It actually contains anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce swelling. This makes marshmallow useful for reducing inflammation in kidney infections, bladder infections, and urinary tract problems. It may also help prevent formation of kidney stones. 6. Celery Seed. Celery seed exhibits diuretic effects that increase urination and fluid elimination. This aids the kidneys by flushing out excess water, sodium, and uric acid. It contains potassium and magnesium, which can help normalize electrolyte balance. Celery seed also has antimicrobial properties that fight off infections causing kidney inflammation. Number 7. Corn silk. Corn silk refers to the fine threads at the tip of a corn cob. It has been used traditionally as a remedy for urinary problems and edema. Corn silk contains proteins, vitamins, minerals, and flavonoids that act as anti-inflammatories. This can help relieve swelling and inflammation associated with kidney problems. It also acts as a natural diuretic by increasing urine output and elimination of waste products from the kidneys. Number 8. Turmeric. Curcumin, the main active ingredient in turmeric, is a powerful anti-inflammatory that can help protect the kidneys against damage and inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one factor leading to kidney disease. Turmeric also has antioxidant benefits that neutralize harmful free radicals that can impair kidney function. Animal studies have found curcumin reduces renal scarring and fibrosis in damaged kidney tissues. 9. Ginger. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory compounds called gingerols that can alleviate swelling and inflammation in kidney disorders. Chronic high blood pressure and diabetes promote kidney inflammation. This spicy root also enhances digestion and improves gut health. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to lower risk of kidney disease. Ginger acts as a prebiotic feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Make ginger tea by grating a 1-inch piece of raw ginger and steeping in hot water for 5-10 minutes. Drink up to 2 to 3 cups per day, combined with a healthy diet to reduce kidney inflammation. Number 10. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, especially EGCG. These compounds possess anti-inflammatory and free radical scavenging properties that protect kidney cells against damage. Green tea may also prevent formation of kidney stones by inhibiting the crystallization of calcium oxalate crystals. It helps block stone development and enlargement. Chronic kidney disease affects 15% of adults in the U.S. and is the nation's 9th leading cause of death. Diabetes and hypertension are the main culprits, causing damage through inflammation and oxidative stress. As kidney function deteriorates, the risk of kidney failure rises, which necessitates dialysis to filter wastes and fluids from the bloodstream artificially. Dialysis greatly impacts quality of life and life expectancy. While medications can help slow the progression of kidney disease, nutrition and lifestyle changes are just as important. Herbal teas are one therapeutic strategy that can support kidney health. Many herbs act as natural diuretics, increasing urine output. Dandelion, horsetail, corn silk, and marshmallow root help flush out wastes, excess fluid, and toxins from the kidneys. Chanca Piedra, turmeric, celery seed, and goldenrod have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. They help reduce swelling and infections causing kidney inflammation and damage. Some herbs like dandelion, marshmallow root, and celery seed contain electrolytes that can normalize imbalanced sodium, potassium, and water levels. Herbs like Chanca Piedra, horsetail, and corn silk may help prevent painful kidney stones by inhibiting crystallization or relaxing the ureters. Of course, check with your doctor before starting any herbal tea regimen, especially if you have been diagnosed with kidney disease or are on dialysis. Certain herbs can interact with medications or exacerbate kidney problems. While herbal teas can aid the kidneys, they are not cure-alls, especially in advanced cases of renal failure. Adopting healthy lifestyle habits like staying active, managing blood pressure and blood sugar, eating plant-based whole foods, staying hydrated and limiting alcohol are also critical. Protect your kidney function starting today by incorporating more kidney-friendly teas into your diet. Consult a nephrologist or nutritionist to create a holistic kidney wellness plan tailored to your needs. Healthy kidneys are vital to a long, vibrant life. If you're dealing with kidney disease, my heart goes out to you. Kidney problems take an immense physical and emotional toll. I hope some of the herbal tea suggestions shared here aid you on your healing journey, but always consult your doctor before trying new remedies, especially if you are on dialysis or medications. In addition to herbal therapies, focus on implementing positive diet and lifestyle changes to preserve your kidney health for as long as possible. Managing blood sugar and blood pressure levels is hugely important. So is staying active, drinking adequate fluids, and limiting alcohol intake, which stresses the kidneys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.